Today at the Faena Forum for the Ultimate Wellness Conference 2025, I took a moment to speak with world-renowned psychologist Dr. Amanda Hanson, who has helped thousands of women to reconnect with their sense of self-worth and find fulfillment. Listen in. Congratulations, first of all, on your award.
Thank you so much.
You mentioned your practice also integrates other types of treatments. Can you talk more about that?
Yes, I would call them more ceremonies and rituals and less treatments, because everything that these women need for their healing already lives within them. But in our Western world, these are practices that we don't take women through in traditional psychology. So I take them anywhere from a mirror practice back to when they were a little girl, all the way through rage release practices and so many ceremonies to really honor so much of what modern technology and psychology and marketing have taken away from women. So we have women living so much in fear of what they are not doing right, how they're aging, how they're not looking a certain way for the male gaze. And my work is really about decentering the male gaze and coming back. This is the interesting thing. I think for a lot of different fields, the work comes from outside in. I teach women how to access the inner leader, because once she can access that inner leader, she takes her everywhere she goes into her life. So she doesn't then become dependent on sound bowl therapy or EMDR. What she learns to do is go within. So all of the practices I take women in, I help them activate that inner leader through every single ritual and ceremony. And we don't even have the cameras on for it because it's too holy to record.
Right.
Yeah, and
I'm interested now.
yes. It's happening in December in Phoenix, Arizona, December 5th and 6th, when we come from all around the world. And it's 2 days of really, really deep ceremony. That's, I think, part of what we've lost in our culture is female leadership and matriarchal leadership, especially from an aged woman. Where are the aged female leaders showing the next generation a way forward that doesn't have to do with looking younger? Right?
Absolutely. I agree with that sentiment. I think we all do, is where we're looking for that inner leadership, which we all have. Naturally as women.
Which just helps to activate it, because the world messaging doesn't allow us to feel comfortable. We're so gaslit from society that we gaslight ourselves, and we don't even trust our intuition. We don't even trust that knowing. And so it's helping them really connect with that intuition that has always been there to guide them in their lives.